Good morning, students. Welcome to video of standard 7th, chapter number 6, physical and chemical changes, part 2 video. We have seen what is physical change, what is chemical change. The change which occurs in the physical properties of a substance is called a physical change. Generally, it is reversible and a non-new substance is formed. We were seeing the chemical change, right? In that, we have seen our activity 6.6 that when we mix magnesium and oxygen, we get magnesium oxide, a new thing. And when again magnesium oxide is mixed with water, we get magnesium hydroxide. Now, the homework was to read activities 6.7 and 6.8, I told you. 6.7, it is dissolve about a teaspoon of copper sulfate in about half a cup of water in a beaker. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. You will get a blue colored solution, copper sulfate solution, right? Now save a small sample of solution in test tube and then drop a nail or a saving blade. आयन की ऐसी छोटी सी चीज अंदर डालनी है. You can put a nail, you can put a saving blade. Now wait for half an hour. Now observe the color of the solution. पहले जो था वो ब्लू कलर का था हमारा कॉपर सल्फेट. Now after half an hour you will see that the color of the solution has changed. It will become green in color. Why? Because there is a reaction between copper sulfate and iron. The change of the solution from blue to green is due to the formation of iron sulfate, a new solution. Iron will replace the copper. कॉपर सल्फेट में से कॉपर अलग हो जाएगा और आयरन सल्फेट बन जाएगा, तो कलर हो जाएगा उसका ग्रीन. The brown deposit on the iron nail is copper, another new substance. हमने देखा कॉपर सल्फेट था, उसमें आयरन डाला तो क्या हो गया, कॉपर की जगह पे वो आयरन सल्फेट बन गया और कॉपर है वो रिलीज हो गया उसमें से एंड इट इज डिपॉजिटेड ऑन द आयरन नेल. You can see some brown color deposited on this. This is copper. So you can write the reaction like this. The copper sulfate that is of blue color plus iron, it will give you iron sulfate of green color and the copper of brown color. Activity 6.8. Take a teaspoonful of vinegar in test tube. Add a pinch of baking soda to it. You would hear a hissing sound, है ना? विनेगर और बेकिंग सोडा को मिक्स करते हैं तो साउंड आता है, बबल्स आते हैं. Pass this gas through freshly prepared lime water as shown in the figure 6.5. 6.5 it is shown over here. Pass the gas through freshly prepared lime water. ठीक है ना, विनेगर और बेकिंग सोडा उसमें से जो गैस निकलता है उसको फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड लाइम वाटर में पास करो. देन व्हाट विल यू सी? विनेगर दैट इज एसिटिक एसिड प्लस बेकिंग सोडा that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So what will be released? Carbon dioxide will be released. Carbon dioxide will be released. Carbon dioxide plus other substance. What is the other substance? You can see here. Carbon dioxide plus lime water. It will give calcium carbonate and water. What will it give? It will give calcium carbonate, CaCO3 and H2O. So when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, calcium carbonate is formed, which makes lime water milky. So when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, calcium carbonate is formed, which makes the lime water milky. The turning of lime water into milky is a standard test of carbon dioxide. Right? It is the standard test of carbon dioxide. You will use it in chapter 10 to show that the air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide. So, in this activity 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, we have seen that by mixing two things, a new substance is formed and right, it has a completely new qualities. This type of change is called a chemical change. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. Right? In our day-to-day life also, we are going very chemical reactions, but we don't know that. Right? In addition to new products, you can also see some other things which happen in chemical reaction. Heat, light or any other radiation may be given off or absorbed. Sound may be produced. Smell may come. Color change may take place. A gas may form. Right? These are the side effects of chemical changes. Burning of any substance is a chemical change and is always accompanied by heat. जब कुछ burn होता है तो heat तो produce होती ही है, right? Explosion of a firework is a chemical change. Here heat and light and also the sound all are produced. So one or more than one new substance are formed. This is called a chemical change. Rusting of iron. What is rusting of iron? When iron comes in the contact of oxygen and the moisture in the air, that is Fe plus O2 and H2O, what will be formed? A new thing will be formed, that is iron oxide, Fe2O3. Right? It is rust. जो जंग लगता है ना, that is a new substance formed due to reaction of iron, oxygen and water. So for rusting, the presence of both oxygen and water is essential. उसके बिना रस्ट, सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन या सिर्फ वाटर से रस्ट नहीं लगता है. Both the things are necessary. There is the moisture always in the air, right? जब ज़्यादा humid atmosphere होता है तो rusting ज़्यादा होती है. So how can you prevent this? Prevent iron particles from coming into contact with oxygen or water or both. So simple way is to apply a coat of paint or grease. उसके ऊपर या तो paint लगा दो या तो grease लगा दो, then iron will not get rusted and it will not come directly in the contact of oxygen. So this would be applied regularly. Another way is to deposit a layer of metal like chromium or zinc on iron, because this does not get rusted. एक मेटल के ऊपर दूसरे मेटल की लेयर लगाना, right? On iron you can put aluminium or zinc, Why? So that it don't get rust. This process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. What is it called? Galvanization. The iron pipes we use in our homes to carry water are galvanized. जो आयरन पाइप्स घर में पानी के लिए यूज होते हैं वो गैल्वेनाइज किए हुए होते हैं ताकि उनमें जंग ना लगे. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिपोजिटिंग अ लेयर ऑफ जिंक ऑन आयरन इज कॉल्ड galvanization. Now what is crystallization? Crystallization is large crystals of pure substance can be formed from their solutions. This process is called crystallization. Right? The salt obtained is not pure and is crystal. हमने देखा था we have prepared the salt by the method of evaporation. तो salt solution था, उसमें से पानी है वो evaporate हो गया and we got the salt. वो salt कैसा होगा? एकदम प्योर रिफाइंड होगा, वो बड़े बड़े है ना टुकड़े होंगे उसके, दैट आर क्रिस्टल्स. सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग क्रिस्टल्स फ्रॉम द सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड crystallization. This was all about changes, physical change, chemical change. Okay, in the next video we will go with the exercise. Thank you.